Leaking diverter valve? Are you still throwing away this, or this when only the seals have failed? Why not just replace this? With a fit once cartridge, the seals are replaceable and no boiler drain down is required. There are two choices of fit once kits. The first is for the Vaillant Ecotech range and the second for the Vaillant EcoFit range. Included with the Ecotech kit is our market-leading patented extraction tools that enable quick and simple cartridge replacement without removing the whole diverter valve. Fitting the replacement fit once cartridge could not be simpler. For the EcoFit range, we also have the compatible fit once cartridge replacement kit, which is a simple swap over. Servicing is quick and easy. There is no need to drain down the boiler and the canister seals can be replaced within minutes. Thanks for watching this by Combi video. Please look at our products for more detail.